Good morning, neighbor. Good morning, Kimba. I know what you're thinking. You can smell the ham. So, good morning, guys. It's Monday, December 16, and I'm making some sandwich for my husband. This is his lunch. So, kay wala magkukahimo og lunch niya. Sandwich ra iyang gi-request.
Kimba,
Ay,
no.
nakas.
Come on.
Na, Kimba love the ham. That's why. You can smell the ham, Kimba? Kimba? Ay, smili ang ham. Mauna siya diha.
Got to get milk today too, bub.
Wala na milk. No more milk there.
Oh, it's nearly empty.
Ah, okay. So you want me to get some milk?
Yes, please.
Meow, 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 meow. Naman rin. Daghan mo sa?
He's going to be such a
Matulog ang aking ulogo. So guys, masok na si Brian sa work. Guys, pumasok na pala si Brian sa work. Nung oras na time check, mga 6:30 na. Nagising ako ng maaga. Mga 5 yata yun or 4:30 ba yun? Kasi nagawa ko ng kanyang lunch. So, simple lang naman yung ginawa ko. Yung ano lang naman yun, sandwich. So, ayan. Hindi na ako nakatulog ulit. So, magbaba na lang tayo, magdilig ng halaman. Tapos, maglalaba kasi ang dami ko nang labahin. Hindi ako nakapaglaba ng mga ilang araw na. Maglalaba tayo. Tapos, ano bang ganap today? Maglalaba tayo. Tapos, ito pala yung suot ko from Shein. Ang ganda, diba? Mura lang ito. Pero, ano lang yung tela niya? Hindi gaano kaganda. Hindi katulad ng isang dress na maganda yung, na tela. Ito pala yung na-shop na namin, yung sa unboxing namin na shopping haul, na big shopping haul ng Shein with Brianna. So, ayan lang guys. So, update maya. Kasi, gusto kong matulog ulit, pero hindi ako nakatulog. So, ayan lang. So, tirik na yung araw sa labas. Ayan lang. Tingnan mo. Wala, may ano na sa, nag-ano yung ano ko. Camera sa harap, may tao yan. So, hi guys! Good morning! Nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng bahay kasi magdidilig tayo ng halaman dito. Ayan, ice cream muna tayo guys kasi super init. While waiting sa aking washing. Yan, lami mo langoy niya sa swimming pool eh. Langoy tao niya guys. Net kada yung dapita eh. So, hi guys. So, I'm here already at work. So, sorry, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi super busy ako. Naglaba ako. Tapos, nagluto ko ng dinner. And then, ayun. So, wala tayong masyadong vlog today. But anyway, so, ayun lang. And I'll just gonna end this video because I'm gonna start working now. So anyway, I'll see you when I get home, guys. Bye. So hi guys, good morning. Today is 17th of December and it's Tuesday. So we're wake up a couple hours ago and now Brianna wants some pancakes. So we're gonna make some pancakes. So cause she said she's hungry. So anyway. So this is our pancakes mix. So this one, we got this one from our neighbor. It's a early Christmas present. She gave us a basket, Christmas basket. So we're gonna pour it here. So Brianna already poured the. And then,
What? I can just do this.
we're gonna get some eggs, milk. Eggs and milk.
Ooh, what do we put first?
And then we're gonna make with the Filipino style. Look, star margarine. Star margarine.
Ooh, Mom, what color are we gonna use?
Yellow, because it's a
Oh,
Filipino style.
Fudge sticks.
Hmm?
It's okay.
Pasensya na kayo sa buhok niya, parang ano.
Can I do the eggs?
Yeah, sure.
Cheese, but someone throw it up.
Ano pa yung ano ng asawa ko ngayon sa
Mom, can I pour it in now?
Yeah, you can put it in. Yeah. So we're gonna put the melted butter. This is from our chicken eggs.
Ooh, that was nice.
Filipino style pancakes, guys. Ito na yung mixture natin, guys. Look at that. Diba? Kasi ano lang natin. Ito yung pancake ano namin na gagamitan. Ano pala to? From Timo. Pero hindi na ako nagtitimo kasi ayaw ni Happy. Kasi daw, yung mga information, binibenta sa Timo. Kaya yung hindi na ako nagtitimo. Crispy. Ang sarap yan. Wow. Actually, mas gusto ko to. Kasi hindi ko siya nilagyan ng asukar. Marami na kasi nilagay ko na margarine sa mix, pancake mix. Hello neighbors! So we're here in Stakla at the moment. So we're here in the Robinson kitchen. So we're going to buy a new pan and kitchen knife. So ayan, tingin-tingin muna tayo dito. Ang dami nilang mga magagandang ano. Asa? So marami dito. Ito.
You want anything else on that?
Yeah, looks good, huh?
You want one or two of them?
One salt and one. Yep.
Yeah.
Ayan, tingnan nyo naman yung mga kutsilyo nila dito. Look at the knife here, guys. Very nice. Oh my God, look at the price. Oh my God, look at the price. But it's nice. Anyway. Pang platers, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Gaganda. It's a big one for flutter. Punta muna kami sa Rebel, guys. We're having a look for skateboard for the kids. Hi guys, we're here in Rebel. We're gonna have a look for skateboard for the kids. And Happy get all the new kitchen stuff. Dito guys, ang daming mga branded like Nikes, Under Armour.
As a Rebel Active member,
So we're looking for skateboards. I think they have, yeah, the skateboard because the kids is on skateboard. Steven and Brianna.
Yeah, which one for Steve and which one for...
I don't know. Maybe the one for Brianna. You reckon?
Yeah, I want to do alright for Brianna.
Yeah. Dito kami ngayon sa Lone Star, guys. Kumakain kami ng lunch. Ito yung lunch ko. Tapos kay Habi, ribs sa kanya. Sarap. Kain tayo.
Wow, your ribs are nice, eh?
Ha?
The ribs are nice.
Hello neighbor, we're here in Bunnings. Hello neighbor, we just get home. Time check, it's already set 6:36 I think. So finally we're home after 2 hours drive. And I'm going to work soon, guys. I'm already late anyway, but yeah, we're gonna unload all our shopping. Tingnan nyo yung ano po namin. But anyway, nagpakabit pala kami ng solar, guys. Ito na yung solar namin. Ayan. At saka ito yung battery niya. Hindi pa yata ito na-on. Ayan, hindi pa niya na-on para totally hindi na kami, wala na kaming bills. So, mahal siya pero worth it naman. So, ayun lang. Pace natin, Berhagardo na. Anyway guys, I'll see you later. So, hi! Good morning guys! Today is the 19th of December. And we just do unboxing video for our pots and pan. And look at this, the mess. That's our pan there. We just finished unboxing and also our knives anyway. So we're gonna upload that one to our YouTube channel soon. And thank you so much for the love and support, guys. I would love to extend my gratitude and also to all my supporters that's still here. So it's been for a while we didn't do a video on our social media. So anyway, it's a little bit noisy outside because our neighbor doing some mowing. But yep. So today, anong ganap today? Pupunta pala ako sa shop kasi I need some milk anyway. And probably I will buy some Christmas shirt because may ano kami sa work, Christmas party. So ayun lang. And happy to back here in vlogging again. Since na kayo sa kalat, guys. Yep, makalat yung ano ko. Kasi nilipat namin yung mga yung dito kasi kinlearn namin to for the unboxing. But anyway, it's okay. It's my own house so I can do whatever I want, char. But yep. Anyway, I'll see you later. I-update ko kayo mamaya. So this is our new Baccarat stone cook set, one of the set. But anyway, don't touch this one, guys. It's so hot. So hello neighbors. So Luto na ang atong kamuti. Sus, ginoo ko. Na English pa din. Inig mapasok. Patay. Bisaya. Di kaya itong dako day. Chop. So, cook perfectly. Then, sa gula. Parisan din na ito ginamos. Una. Ay, kalame. Mao ni akong brunch, guys. Mamaha. Pamahaw pa ni Udto na ni. Lami kayo. What are you doing, darling? Darling, what are you doing? What are you doing? Putting some salt. So, hubby is putting some salt on the swimming pool. And ready for swim. It's there.
It's a bit different to that. So just don't shove your nose in. Like just from a distance. Like it's
What are we
whiskey, it's not
smelling?
one. So first things you get is it's sweet of some sort.
Yeah.
Some people.